Today we will see how Divella make biscuit. The manufacturing process begins by mixing the raw materials into large mixer. The ingredients pass through quality control test. An automatic machine giving the required shape to the biscuit. The biscuit passes through baking process in large oven. It passes through inspection process. Now the biscuits are packaging using fully automatic packaging machine. The biscuit passes through various quality control test and testing process. Finally, the biscuits are ready for the customers.